Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a different kind of video. I'm going to be doing a Dailylook unboxing and review for you guys. Dailylook is an online personal styling service, and it's pretty cool because you can go online and you can fill out a style profile for yourself. So this is basically all of your preferences. If you're super girly, if you're edgy, if you like more of a boho style, you pick out all of your favorites and what you personally like. You also fill out your height, your weight, and your body measurements, so that your personal stylist really knows you. And then you can also favorite certain items that you like on their website, just so they can get more of an idea of what you like. And then also you can link up your social media accounts so they can see your Instagram and see your style on there as well. So it is a $40 styling fee. I do have a $10 off coupon that I'm going to put right here as well as down below in the description box, but it is $40, and then you get your box, which is 7 to 12 items in the box, and whatever you decide to keep or whatever you really love, you can actually purchase the items, and whatever you do not like, you send back to the company. So I really like this idea, especially if you love online shopping, which I love. I personally really love online shopping. I don't really like to go to the mall and like shop around. I would much rather have like someone pick out items for me. I feel like it's so fancy that way. And also these items are more high quality, so they're more of like a Nordstrom price range. So they are a little bit up there in the price, but the quality of these items are really, really nice. So I will link Dailylook down below in the description box, but if you guys want to see what I got in my box, then just keep watching. So this is item number 1. It is a scalloped lace romper. It's a dusty pink color, and the brand is BB Dakota. I'm going to show you an up close of it so you can see it a little bit better, but I love the sleeves of this. I think it's really pretty and very girly, and I also just really love this dusty pink. So this is what it looks like. I do wish it was a tiny bit bigger or like longer, because I am a little bit self-conscious of my legs, but overall I really like this one. I would give it a thumbs up, and also I would recommend trying on all these outfits with a clean bare face, just in case you don't want to keep it and you have makeup on it and you get makeup on the items. So definitely try it on with clean skin. But this is item number 1, and it's really, really cute and definitely girly in my style. This is the next item. This is by the brand Moon River, and it is a long white dress. It is a button-up dress, so you button it all the way down, and then it does have a drawstring right here that you can cinch in your waist, and then it has 2 pockets up at the top and a collar. I think this is really cute, and it does have big pockets too. I love this. I think this is going to be great for vacations, and I saw it actually on Dailylook, and I favored it as one of my favorite styles, and I really like it. Now, when I first got it, my boyfriend thought that it was going to be like a sheet. He was like, that is way too big. It just looks like a sheet. But on, I think it's really, really cute with like cute sandals and like a big beach hat. I think that would be adorable. So this is what it looks like, and this is definitely a thumbs up for me. I was hesitant when I saw it in the box, but having it on, I think it looks really, really cute. So this is a size medium, and it fits me pretty well. I probably could have gone with a size small, but since you can like cinch it, I think it works. So this is item number 2. Next are these jeans. These are by the brand J Brand Maria, and these are $200 jeans. I've never owned a pair of jeans that are this expensive. They are really cute. I actually wish that I didn't like them this much because they are expensive, but they fit really nicely and they're very comfortable. So this is what they look like. They kind of fit like a glove. They are low rise, so they don't come up high-waisted, but I do really like the color of them and the fit. I did have to cuff them a little bit at the bottom, but other than that, I really do like these. And this top right here, this is by the brand Michael Stars. It is an off-the-shoulder top. It has a floral pattern to it, and it does have like a cinch detailing all right here. I don't love this top, to be honest. I feel like it's like a little too flowy and makes me look like bigger than I am. I don't know. I just don't love it. It's not my favorite. I like the colors of it, but the way it fits me, I'm just not fully into it. I don't know. I think it's just like too flowy or something. But I think it's pretty. I just personally wouldn't probably buy this. Next we have this nude top. It is a collective draped cold shoulder top. And this is what it looks like. Now I do really like this, but it is big. I picked all my sizes in a size medium for like tops, but then I changed it to a size small. But I still got sent all the mediums. So unfortunately this top is a little bit too big for me. If I just like went like this, it would fall off. So it's a tiny bit too big. but it is really pretty, and this goes with my Instagram theme so much because I go with the nudes and the neutrals. But it does have a V-neck, and then it has one little strap right there, and then it's a little bit more slouchy on the side, and then this is what the sleeves look like, so they're a little bit long too. But I guess you can like tie that and cinch it in a bit. But I do really like this one. It's like a silkier material, very comfortable. It's just a tiny bit big for me, so I'm gonna have to pass on this one. So this top right here is by the brand BB Dakota, and this is the softest material I've ever felt. Like, it is seriously so comfortable and so soft. It does have an off the shoulder right there, and then an off the shoulder on the other side. It's very different the way it's like set up and structured, but the material is what gets me. Like, I would just keep this just for the material because it's so comfortable. I do like this side a lot. This side I don't like as much. Like, I almost wish it had both like cutouts like that, but it is so comfortable, and I might have to look into this brand a little bit more just because of how cozy this top is. And it does fit me really well. It's a size medium, but it does fit me really nice. This is the next top, and this is by the brand Velvet by Graham and Spencer. It is a light pink color. It does go off the shoulders, and this is a very, very light material. So it's very thin, but it's very comfortable, and it does have like a scrunch detailing going across the top of it. I do really like this, but I don't think I'd personally wear this that much. It's another one of those like flowier tops that I just don't feel like fits my body right. So it's cute because I like the color and I like off the shoulder, but I just think like something is like too much right here. I do like it with these jeans, or maybe if I like tucked it in, it would be a little bit cuter, but I don't know. I'm just not fully feeling this. Next we have a front tie button-up shirt. This is like a deep purple eggplant color, and I really like the color of this. It does button all the way up, and then it does have this tie right here that you can kind of cinch in a little bit. The material of this is super soft. It's almost like a suede in a way, like a light suede material. I really do like this one, and the sleeves are a little bit big because it is a size medium, but I can definitely see myself wearing this. It's more casual and just a very comfortable top. So this, I would say, thumbs up for me. This top right here is from BCBG, and it's a multicolored top. It is a very lightweight material. It is actually kind of see-through, but you do have the shoulders coming out on the sides, and it is pretty. I just don't think, this is another one of those like flowy tops that I just don't think looks good on me. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I need to wear a little bit more form-fitting, or else it will just make me look bigger. So it's a little bit too flowy personally. It reminds me of something Lauren Conrad would wear, and I like her style a lot. So this is the next one, size medium. It's kind of like an in-between for me because I do like the style of it. I just think it's a little bit too big. So it is cute from the side. Okay, so the next item is this silky brown bomber jacket. This is by the brand Olivia Gray, and I love that name. I think that's the prettiest name ever. But this is what it looks like. It is long sleeve. It has this ruche detailing on the sleeves as well as down below and then up top on the collar. I think this is really nice actually. When I first saw it in the box, I thought it was kind of ugly, to be honest. But when I have it on, I feel like paired with the right outfit, it would look really cute. And it is a really silky soft material, so another really comfortable item, and this fits me really well. This is a size medium, and I kind of like it. I did not think I was gonna like this, so actually having it on makes a big difference. So this is what it looks like, and very comfortable. Next we have a mystery drape cardigan. This is my favorite thing that I got in my entire box, and it's really comfortable. So it has a tan kind of coloring to it, but it has some yellow and brown in it as well, and it is a very long cardigan, but super cozy. It has these deep pockets as well, and I can see myself wearing this a lot in the fall and winter. Just a very comfortable warm sweater, and I love this one. So this one's definitely my favorite, size medium, and I'm keeping this for sure. Unfortunately, couldn't try this romper on because it would not fit over my butt, but I love this romper so much. I really wish it fit me. This is by the brand BB Dakota, and it's a size 4, which I'm usually a size 4 when it comes to like dresses, but this just would not fit over my butt. I love the material of this, and I love the pattern of it. I feel like this is like a perfect fall romper, and I almost want to keep this and just like try and lose a little weight so I can wear it, because I do really like it, and I love rompers on me. It does have a tie in the middle that you can tie in the back or the front if you wanted to, but I just love this. It just reminds me of fall so much, with like a nice big knit cardigan over it. Maybe not this one, but like a white creamy one over this would be so cute for the fall. So I wanted to show you guys this, even though it doesn't fit me. I do really like this. I do have one more item to show you guys. So this is the Gorjana Chloe choker, and this is what it looks like. It is like a true gold choker, and it has circle detailing going all around it. I really like this because I don't have anything that's like true gold, and I really like chokers. So this is what it looks like. I'm probably going to be keeping this one as well, just because it'll match with so many different outfits, especially this cardigan that I'm wearing. I think that would look really pretty with it. So yeah, I got an item of jewelry too. They have jewelry and like purses on their website as well, accessories, but I got this for my accessory and it's really, really pretty. Okay, and that is everything that I wanted to show you guys from Dailylook. I will leave my coupon down below as well as the website, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!